Hello guys, on this short tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp calls easily and fast. First thing you wanna do guys is open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, open the apps and then go to the WhatsApp right here. Click on this force stop and after that you have to click on the permissions and now make sure to enable all the permissions. Go back and click on the data usage, make sure to enable all those data usage option. Click on the storage and do the same thing here. Now you have to click on clear cache, go back, click on open by default, click on open supported links in this app and choose always allow. Now last thing you wanna do is very simple, just turn off your phone and turn it on again and reopen WhatsApp and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.